Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious, easy custard. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 large egg yolks. Don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Using whole milk ensures a wonderfully rich and creamy texture for your final dessert. Make sure your egg yolks are separated cleanly from the whites. Next, we'll combine our ingredients carefully. In a bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks with the 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thick. Meanwhile, gently heat the 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Now, slowly pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. This crucial step, called tempering, prevents the eggs from scrambling. Now it's time to cook our custard to perfection. Pour the tempered mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon or whisk. You'll notice it gradually thickens. Continue cooking until the custard coats the back of your spoon, reaching a temperature of about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, do not let it boil, as this can cause the custard to curdle and lose its smooth texture. Finally, let's finish our delicious custard. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. For an incredibly silky smooth texture, pour the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Immediately cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Chill your custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.